This is Tisha with 2 gals and a paintbrush. Please ignore our mess. We're a work in progress at all times.
We are 2 gals and a paintbrush.
Sparkly.
Sparkly, yeah.
Here, but I can tell you what we're not doing.
We are very strong-willed.
That's actually a running joke. Ashley wants to paint everything key lime. I think she says it just to bother me. There's nothing we can't do.
Yeah, nothing.
We're starting this china cabinet that we bought at a yard sale in Lincolnton. We had no intentions of buying anything like this. Ashley saw this in the back of like a freight trailer, and there were no lights in there, and we went and got the owner, and she said, oh yeah, she was ready to get rid of this. So it needs a lot of TLC, and now we're going to tackle the front, and we think we're going to paint it. Well, we saw all this veneers coming off on the sides. We've already taken it all off on this side, and we're taking it off with our Harbor Freight heat gun. Okay, so we have our heat gun. We learned from YouTube that if you put the heat gun right up against the veneer, it will help to melt that glue underneath. Then you can take your putty knife after it gets loose enough, and it should just lift right up, and then you can kind of work the heat up as you go, and it will loosen that, and you can get all the veneer off. Whoa!
Hey guys, so just an update on the china cabinet. We got all the veneer off both sides. We filled in some of the dents and dings with some putty and sanded it off, and it's good to go. We glued down some of the veneer that was coming up so that it would be nice and sturdy for when it gets painted over, and it's ready to sand down and paint. So we're working on our china cabinet right now. After we got all the paint on it and sanded it and got it nice and smooth, we just distressed it just a little bit. We still need to get the paint off the glass. We really decided that these were kind of naked and that they needed a little something extra. So I cut out some stencils on my silhouette, and I am applying those now, and I'm gonna go over the whole thing with some dark wax. So you guys can watch me apply it on this side. done with this wonderful china cabinet. We think it turned out really great. So just a recap of everything we did. We took a heat gun to the side and got all of the veneer off the sides, sanded it down really well, cleaned all of it. We added some.
We cut our own angles and, finished these sides up.
We added some molding to the sides. We did our own, our first miter box, or miter saw cut.
Yeah.
We added these stencils. So we kind of looked at it and we thought that it needed a little something. So we took my silhouette and I found this stencil and I cut it out, and we did them with dark wax to kind of tie in with the whole thing. We think it really gave it some good character.
And it looked a little bit, I don't know what the word is, like, just like that. So Ashley just kind of smeared it out a little bit. And once she did one, it really looked good. So she did all of them, just kind of rubbed it out just a little bit. We like the effect.
Yeah, we think it turned out really great. We were going to use a piece of the molding that fell off for the knob, but Tisha found this adorable little bird, and we think that it's a nice, it's such a cute pop of color.
We like the color on it. We still have to clean the window. We're going to do that, and then I guess it'll be all ready to go.
It's ready to go to our booth for sale. So we hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll be back for another one.
See ya.
Bye. This video was a little all over the place, so I wanted to stop right here and give a huge shout out to Dixie Belle Paint Company. They're one of our new favorite paints. We used the color Drop Cloth to complete this china cabinet. It's a great paint. Definitely go check them out. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to insert a clip of me pranking Tisha. She is terrified of snakes, so I ordered a fake snake on Amazon and hid it in a flower pot, and I asked her to go get something out of that pot for me, and I got her good, y'all. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, guys.
You'll know now, man. Oh, Dawn, you'll know.
What is it?